Tap Add Image. Find and tap the red Add Image button at the bottom. 3. Select one image. In the pop-up options, choose Add One Image. 4. Choose a photo. Select a photo from your gallery. 5. View photo information. If the photo can be added, the app will display information such as the object name and shooting time. Note: the photo must include shooting time information to be added. 6. Confirm addition. After adding, the app will show a confirmation prompt. 7. Duplicate photo alert. If you try to add the same photo again, the app will notify you that the photo already exists. Bulk upload. Tap Bulk Upload. Tap the large red button to start a bulk upload. 2. Grant access. The app will request full access to your gallery. Tap OK to allow this. If permissions are already granted, you don't need to tap Open Settings. 3. Select Bulk Upload. Return to the app, tap the plus sign again, and choose Bulk Upload. 4. Choose Sub-Albums. The app will display some sub-albums from your gallery, not all, to avoid duplicates. 5. Create a new album, optional. For convenience, create a new album in your gallery before uploading. Select the photos you want to upload, add them to a new album, e.g. name it Darwin. Save this new album. Six. Select New Album, return to the Tuyi Portfolio app, and you'll see the newly created Darwin album. 7. Check Album, tap the album, and the app will show the album name and the number of photos. 8. Start importing, tap Start Importing to begin the import process. Notes: you need to be connected to the internet for bulk uploads to get GPS data and convert it into country and region information. Due to Apple's restrictions, GPS data can only be queried approximately every 1 to 2 seconds. To comply with this limit, the app imports one photo every 2 seconds during bulk upload. Importing 100 photos may take some time, so please be patient. Once the import is complete, you can view all imported photos in the app. The system will automatically display the geographic location of the photos, such as Northern Territory, Australia.